Hey Brunchers! I'm Angela. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own virtual space, new feature here in GoBrunch. And what it is this new feature? Well, the panel section. If you want to know all the steps and know this new way that you can create your space, well, keep here with me and let's go. Perfect, so let's start. I'm going to show you every single step, don't worry about it. So we're going to do this together. A showcase. So I'm going to click here, the showcase section, and I'm going to select a name. Perfect. And then we click next. In this case, I'm going to click no in every question. Perfect. Now I have to choose one room layout. I'm going to choose this one. Create. Now my showcase created. So I'm going to click here, my virtual space. I'm going to do next. I'm going here, all rooms. I click there. And now you will see the new panel section in future, because in this way you can see who is online in all your rooms. Lounge room is always there. It's like a waiting room, so don't worry about it. It's a new way that you can create your own space. It can work for everything. Parties, you want a networking space, maybe you want to share your work or a shop that you have, a lot of stuff, or just your space with talk with friends, watch stuff, games, everything. It's up to you what you want to share or what you want to make here in your virtual space. In this case, I'm going to pretend that I'm an artist and I'm going to make my virtual space to show people my art, my stuff, and things like that. Show you how I'm going to make it. Alright, change everything here. So I got this room. I think maybe you know already the editor, so if you don't know it, you can go to another video tutorial to know better how to use it. So I click there and give me just few seconds to make this room different. Alright, let's go. Perfect, now I have my room different, alright? I changed the background, the circle colors, everything. Well, right now I want to end a YouTube video. Well, it's really easy. I'm going to go here. I want this first room will be the welcome room to everybody that comes to my virtual space, alright? If you don't know how you can use the embed option in everything, remember you have other tutorials that I explain it much better with all the details, right? You can embed your social medias, a video, or maybe you can even do an on-demand video about yourself, and it's going to autoplay every time that someone comes to the welcome page, alright? One called welcome room. So I go here, this room, go here, perfect. There it goes. So now I have here my embed video. To make another rooms, and you will see what's going to happen in the panel section. Alright, so come on with me, let's go. You have to place your add navigation if you want to make another rooms and connect it together, right? So I'm going to click there, and you have to click to the link. We have this new feature that I know is going to help you a lot too. You're going to click create and link. Alright, what is going to do this thing, you will see. I click here, save. Now I'm here. So what is going to do the new thing that I did with the add navigation? I click there, and there it goes. It's a copy about my room before. It's not going to duplicate everything that I did, just the room layout, but it's really cool. But you don't have to be like searching everything. You just copy and done, and you can make here another stuff. I'm going to give it another name. Right now, I don't know, meeting room. Here it can be a room where people can talk with me, talk about stuff, or maybe my fans want to talk there and I can talk with them and stuff like that. Alright, so this room is going to call meeting. Do here. I'm going to treat everything like the same like I did before. Perfect, and now this is my room meeting. where I can talk with people, I can chat with them, they can ask me stuff and things like that. I'm going to show you what happened in the panel section. I'm going to click all rooms, and there it goes. Now we have the welcome room and we have the meeting room. And here you can see who is online. So now you can see here all your rooms. Maybe I went on this one. So let's go to this one, or you can go to this one or to the launch one. I'm going to make a last room so we can connect everything. Okay, let's go. This one we're going to place another name, all right? Now we have the artworks section. You can see what I do, my art, and everything. You can add here a text too, and you can write here your Instagram, you can write your commission information, or you can write to them that they can contact you on your social medias and stuff like that. Everything is on your imagination. You can do anything you want in this place. Now I'm going to click again all rooms. And there it goes. Now I have my all rooms ready. Here to the welcome room to show you this. Go here to the welcome room. Perfect. I add here all rooms, and I'm going to pin this panel. What is going to happen? Every time that someone enters to your virtual space, it's going to appear this panel, and people will see all your rooms, and so people can see other rooms and select what they want to join first. Let's check it out so you can understand better. I'm going to refresh my page, and there it goes. Now when someone enters, it's going to see my panel section with all my rooms, and I have another option here that is the broadcast video and audio to all rooms. What is going to happen if I click there and check? Every time that maybe you have some people, maybe you have different people in your rooms. Imagine that you have 2 people in the meeting room, 2 people in the artwork rooms, and you are in the welcome room. And you want to, everybody comes to the welcome room, you want to make an announcement or show them something new or live sections, who knows? It's too amazing and too helpful too. So maybe, like I said, you want to make the announcement and you don't have to go to every room to make the announcement. You just click there, open your camera or open your microphone or the both of them and make the announcement, and everybody's going to know what is happening. Perfect. So yeah, this is like everything. Let's check it out, all the rooms together. Everyone like we did. Remember, this is the welcome room with my embed video. Now go to the meeting room. And there we go. You can place a chat, whatever you want. And now we go to the AdWords room. Perfect. So I'll read you in the comments what you think about this new feature. What ideas did you have? I would like to know too. So I think, I don't know, I'm loving this new panel. It's so amazing because you can know where the people is. If you want this can be a public room, like everybody can enter to this virtual space and know you and everything. You have to write us and we can make public your virtual space. Believe me that this is amazing because with this new thing that we have here, the panel is going to help you a lot. You can make all the rooms you want and connect them together. So yeah, I hope that you like this video. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and share it too. It can be really helpful for everybody. If you have questions or maybe you don't know some steps that I did here, don't worry about it. I'm going to leave here in the link below all the video tutorials that can help you to do your virtual space. If you still have questions, you can write us too, and we can be really glad to help you. So thank you so much, and see you later, Brunchers. Bye.